2. Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, let's review the past perfect tense. This tense describes an action which took place before a definite time in the past to show that one action happened before another action or time in the past, and to describe the earlier of two past actions. It is always used with the past tense, and often used with words like before, after, by the time, when. We form this tense by placing had in front of the past participle of the verb. Example: S plus had plus V3. I, we, you, they had seen. He, she, it had seen, etc. Let's fill in the blanks with the verb in parentheses. 9. I saw that we the wrong road. Take. 10. They told me that Ishikawa the class. Leave. 11. Sato insisted that she that movie. See. 12. Somehow I felt that I the man before. Meet. 13. Beam said that Asano her lunch. Have. 14. Previously Keir Starmer a very good student. Be. 15. It was clear that someone us. Misdirect. 16. Bumbum asked me why I the party so early. Leave, corn. Do you know the answer below? Let's try together. 9. I saw that we had taken the wrong road. 10. They told me that Ishikawa had left the class. 11. Sato insisted that she had seen that movie. 12. Somehow I felt that I had met the man before. Meet. 13. Beam said that Asano had had her lunch. 14. Previously Keir Starmer had been a very good student. 15. It was clear that someone had misdirected us. 16. Bumbum asked me why I had left the party so early. Happy and fun in English.